what we need to see first, are we making trade consistently profitable or not, right? Our
Mm-hmm.
That's the key. Like, how many days you are in my mentorship? How many days? It's like not more than
Uh,
15 or 20 days, not more than 15 or 20 days, right? so
yeah,
so
yeah,
also you start trading, and it's a very good sign. The key is make a consistent profit, not profitable first. What I mean by that,
yes,
what I mean by that
yes,
is, let's say you open a trade on one lot, right? You make this
yes,
profit, you made this one profitable, which means maybe you made $1,000, right? Not $1,000. It is like 13 to $1,500 profit the trade you took, right? So in
yes,
the next 2 days you hit a stop loss, or next five trade you hit a stop loss, you are not profitable. That means you are not
yes,
consistent. So the main goal, main point is to become a consistent one. Doesn't matter how much volume you are using. It could be 1 cent, it could be $1, it could be $10. Doesn't matter. At first, you need to see you are making profit consistently, right?
yeah,
That's the key now.
yes,
So
yes,
let's say you took 10 trade in last 2 weeks, right? You win
yeah,
you win like 7 to 8 trade. That's the key to make it be a profitable trader in future. Doesn't
yeah,
matter how much capital you have right now. It will matter after when you invested a little bit bigger amount, right?
yes,
That's the key.
yes. Because for now, this rate $17.
That means 100
Yes,
what was the lot size? Point zero
uh,
one.
001.
Oh my god. You made.
Because I don't have a margin. I don't know where. I don't know
Yeah.
because I don't. I can't trading with leverage.
Yeah, it's fine. What I said, the less leverage you have for you, that's the good key also. If like some the flipping one that I flipped from $10 from 50, right? That one,
Yeah.
for that kind of trading, you need leverage. I used like 1500.
Yes, but yes, but I can't upgrade my leverage.
Yeah, that's for now. I think it's okay for now. As still you
Yes.
are in learning period, still it is okay for me. I think it is very okay to not moving from there. Last, you are keeping, you are saving, you balance first, right?
Yeah,
Profit
yeah, yeah, yeah.
profit is
Good.
byproduct for us. Look at you, like in last week and this week just started. Every trade you take, any stop loss you hit so far.
Yeah, yeah. I used to stop it.
Okay, so
But I don't. But I'm profit. Yes, I'm profit. Yes.
how you took that trade? How you took that trade?
What?
How you took that trade?
Uh, uh, I don't know the. What is it? How you took the
No, no,
trade?
no, no. Okay, I got you. You did not, get my question, right?
I can't. I don't understand. Yes.
So, how you like? What was the pre-requirement when you see that this market is movement? You enter the buy, right? You track it. So, what was the
Yeah.
condition for you to take that buy? Like, what was the thing you look in the market and you take that buy?
Ah. Okay. Why I took the buy
Yes,
here?
that's right. That's the.
Ah. Okay. Yes.
So I had a buy. The trade went like 70 pips, right? I closed half
Yes.
in 60 pips. I put my break even, and that trade hit my break even. And then second time I also took buy on one lot. I closed that trade in like 300 pips. Not two trade. Eventually took 300 pips, and it's like $1,500.
Oh my God.
This
That's
trade was posted on the
good.
group, right?
Yes. Yes. I see. So, what what?
I know how you took that trade. I know the same way I took the trade,
Ah,
right?
you needed to do. I watch.
What you follow? That's what I'm asking. What you followed before you entering that trade?
I show you why I did this trade.
Yes, yes.
And,
Like past few session, I showed you how you took the trade, right? What should be the precondition? So now, as you know, and you are opening trade, let me see how you open that trade.
yes. So for the first step, I search the level.
Max, is
The
it
block.
okay? Is it okay if I record this session and upload?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And I just search the zone
Okay.
for hour.
Right.
I don't remember where
Yeah, this one. This one.
what
This
sign,
one.
but I think is
Yes, this one.
I have this
Uh-huh.
is enough.
Uh-huh. Yeah, you don't need to
So
filter it. You know, I know, and you know, just do the same process.
yes, yes.
Mm-hmm.
This
Uh-huh.
we have already what then the market
Right.
come back
Come back. Right.
is down. Go to the 30 zone, 31
Uh-huh.
zone. Yes.
Same.
Here,
It is like the textbook one, right? It is like the textbook one.
yes.
Yeah, this is the
For
trade. This is the trade
the
control.
yes. Then here we have another induction.
Right.
Then the market wait before our zone and return to the 30 minutes
Right.
zone. Then it's go ahead.
Right.
Check. This is the trade control zone or not?
Yeah. Okay. No problem.
Yes.
No problem. Execution model today, right? How eventually
Yeah.
I took my trade. How eventually I took my trade, and why we are looking for sale. If you go to our channel, you see that we are looking for sale from here, right? Though it is not confirmed yet, but the way we look and the way we bought from